Hi there,
Hi there, what's your name?
my name is Kalyan.
Hello, Callum. I am a virtual flight booking assistant. How can I help you today?
Can you please book a ticket for me?
Which city you would like to start from?
I would like to start from Atlanta,
Where you would like to go?
Los Angeles,
When you would like to travel?
tomorrow.
Thanks a lot. Let me search a suitable flight from Fine to No Thanks on April 25th, 2019. Please hang tight.
Hello everyone. So today, uh, I will going to discuss about AWS new uh, application or service called AWS Sumerian. This is basically based on WebGL technology, where they are providing services to create a virtual host which can speak and also can be integrated with several services AWS offers. So one of the offerings are Lex bots, where your speech to text engine actually can return from the Lex bots, and then that speech will be binded to the real talking host or 3D models which can speak and act as a host. So we'll be creating a 3D model here, and we'll connect with Lex as well, and let's see how it comes together. So first of all, if you logged into Sumerian console, so you will be seeing this screen. So there are some predefined template here. I'll be using this default lightning template. I've already, if you click that, it will ask for a name. So I've already given this name of the template that called flight host. So this is a blank screen only with a light and a default camera. So these are called entities. So here you can see there is a default camera and default lights. These are asset panel where you can import and different assets like texture, behaviors and other things. Also they have provided some packs, so you can actually import some asset from here as well. And in the right side there are configuration panel. So before start, what you need to do, you need to provide this cognito identity pool ID to start with. So let me copy it. So from this console I'll just copy this identity pool ID and then paste it here to start with. Okay, so now the first thing is I will create or import a model or host. So there are lots of predefined model here. So let's import this model here. Click add. So you can see this West Polo has been imported here. I'll just simply drag it here. Let's zoom in a bit because it's pretty much very smaller. So now you can see our 3D model has been placed in the virtual world. And so the first thing is the first requirement, whenever this model will be talking with, they should actually face toward us. So the thing is like, if you select this model West Polo, here there are some configuration. So within West Polo, in the host section, we have this point of interest. So I will click on look at entity, and this should look at the default camera. So I will just drag and drop it here. Now if we play this, you can see it will always look at the camera. So if I'm just moving the camera, still the model is looking at us. So now so the next thing is, there is a section called speech. So we can put some simple speech text which this model will speak, but our intention is to connect with Lex bot here, and we will interact with this model and it should reply with his humanitarian voice. So let's create a bot. Actually, I've already created a bot here. So the bot, I have named it flight bot. So if you click open, so this is have two intents. So one is the greet. So the first thing is greet. So if someone speaks hi there or hi, so it should prompt hi there, what's your name? And this name I've taken as a variable here, and the slot type I've given the first name. And in the response it will say hello and this name variable. For an example, if I say my name as Kalyan, then it should say hello Kalyan, I am a virtual flight booking assistant. How I can help you with today? How I can help you with today? So I'm saving intent, and then I will go to book flight. So this is another intent. So this intent will start with book a flight. Okay, so different people can say it's differently. So for an example, I can say please book a flight for me, I would like to book a flight. So whenever this simple utterance happens, so the first prompt, it will say which city you would like to start from, and here we need the store whatever the person replies, we need to store in this from city variable, and that slot type is amazon.us underscore us city, amazon.us.city. And then when you reply that, the second thing it will ask where you would like to go, and that is also will add in a variable called toCity, and it is the same slot type city. And then the last thing will ask when you would like to travel, and that I have added in a variable date of travel, and that is a slot type of date. So once we get all these information from city to city and date of travel, then within this confirmation prompt, I'm just saying like, thanks a lot, let me search a suitable flight from, and then the variable to the variable the person responds on date of travel. So this is the thing I will, and if say something says cancel or no, then I will say thank you, I'm canceling a request, I'm always happy to help. So that's it. Now if I build that, it will take some time to build. So once that is done, you can test it here. So if I say hi, it will ask what's your name. I'm giving a name, so it will say hello Kalyan, virtual flight booking assistant, how I can help you today. And then I'll say book a flight, so it should reply which city you would like to start from. I can say Atlanta. Where you would like to go, I can say I would like to go Los Angeles. When you would like to travel, I can say tomorrow. So this will be transformed as a actual date. So now you can see here the slots: date of travel, from city to city. I'll get back from the response. So these variables actually returns this response. So our bot is ready. So let's publish that. So I'll just click on alias latest and publish that. So it is published. Our bot name is flightbot. So just copy that. Now we'll go back to our Sumerian, and as from Sumerian I will add another component. So I will add here the dialog component. So in dialog component we need to provide the bot name. So our bot name is flightbot, and in the alias section I will put $latest, so which always refer to the latest version. So once this done, now we have to create a behavior. So let's add the state machine here. So in the state machine I will first create a state. So in the first state I just rename it like AWS ready. So in the AWS ready section I will add action with SDK ready, and the next thing we want like wait for input. So let's create another state. So I'll give a name of wait input, add action, key down, and in the key section I will just pass the space bar. So on spacebar we will start recording. So I'll add another state. I'll give it a name, start recording, add action, start microphone, start microphone. So when it will start, it will yeah, it will start recording, and then state stop recording, microphone. And then once we have the data from the recording, we'll send it to Lex for processing. So add another state, name it process, and then within dialog component send audio input to dialog. Click add. So once that is processed and returned from Lex, the next state I will add for speech, and in this I will add an action called speech, start speech, start speech, add. And in the start speech section I will use this checkbox so that we'll pass this to use Lex response. So now once our state has been added, it will now connect. So it will flow like this: wait for input. Once you release the spacebar, it will start recording, then it will stop the recording, then it will pass the input to Lexbot, and once we are response ready, then I will connect it to speech, and then again it will wait for input. So now let's test it once. Hi there. Hi there. I made a
Hi
mistake.
there.
I made a mistake. Here I should change to space. Start it again. Hi there.
Hi there, what's your name?
My name is Kalyan.
Hello, Callum. I am a virtual flight booking assistant. How can I help you today?
Can you please book a ticket for me?
Which city you would like to start from?
I would like to start from Atlanta.
Which city you would like to start from?
Atlanta.
Where you would like to go?
Los Angeles.
When you would like to travel?
Tomorrow.
Thanks a lot. Let me search a suitable flight from Fine to No Thanks on April 25th, 2019. Please hang tight.
So as you can see, like how it's working. So it's just we are giving the input, voice input, and then it's going to Lex, and Lex is returning the response, and we are passing that response to this model, and it's actually uh, uh, doing the voice sync and then speaking the same things. And there are many options. You can change the voice as well. So this is it. Hope you like it, and we'll come up with uh, many other tutorials on this Sumerian one. This is just released. I'm still working on it. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and